Okay, so I'm gonna make the panna cotta. I'm presenting it in the bedroom because everyone's sleeping, so it's a midnight panna cotta. And so I'm gonna mix things here, and then when I actually go in the kitchen, that's why I whisper. It's not because I'm super weird, it's just I don't want to wake up anyone. This is one of the simplest desserts ever. You just cook some cream. Panna cotta means cooked cream in Italian. Gelatin, some heavy cream, and some milk, 1 cup of each, and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. For topping, you usually use some kind of blueberry, raspberry, strawberry thing, but I'm kind of lazy, so I'm making it with maple syrup. Plus, I really like maple syrup, and I already had some. And we'll just make it in there. You also will need some glasses or other recipients that you will put in the fridge. So before making the recipe, check that it does fit in the fridge. I'll put some heavy cream. This is very thick.
Whoa.
I know, right? Milk. I would have used full milk, but I didn't find any. A tiny bit of vanilla. So the quantity is, I don't know, kind of like that. What's the sound effect? And the gelatin, you should only add it at the end. For sugar, it's 1/4 cup. Yeah, that looks about right. Yeah, it's about flat. All right. Now we're gonna bring this to the kitchen, and I am going to whisper. Okay, so I'm in the kitchen. I got all the glasses. I got everything in there that I just mixed. Come closer. That I just mixed, and so I'm just gonna turn it on, mix it for like 5-6 minutes until it bubbles but doesn't boil, and then I'll add this, and then we'll pour it in the glasses and put the glasses in the fridge. Just mixing it. We're gonna do that until it bubbles a little bit, but before it boils, it mustn't boil. So as you can see, it's bubbling a little bit, but it's not boiling yet. So I'm gonna turn the fire down and put the gelatin and mix for another 2 minutes. Yeah, it's been exactly 5 minutes. It's about what I had predicted, so yeah, put it in. Mix. Mix well. It's really important to mix well. So I'm gonna pour about equal quantities in each one. I'll try. That should be about good. I'll go for a second. One of the hard part is to pour equally. I tried my best. So what we do is we put all this in the fridge, and then at the end, like just before serving, we'll put a little topping of maple syrup on top. So I found some space in the fridge. You gotta leave it at least 2 hours. It's gonna stay overnight, so it's gonna be great. Okay, so this is the next day. No, this is normal turkey. It's cooking right now. The panna cotta is there. It's all jellified. So I actually want to try it, and I'll make some more because I love panna cotta, so who cares? Just put a little bit of this on top. You are gonna see live my reaction on if it's good or not good. Oh yeah, it turned out really well.